Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to find the right clients for your business on LinkedIn. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to linkedin.com, and from here just simply sign in into your account. And once you are signed in, this will be the homepage of LinkedIn. So from here you should be able to see the search button at the top. So just simply search a specific job or skill set that you are looking for. So guys, let's say I have a video production business. So from here, I'm just gonna search for voiceover artists. And from here, guys, just simply filter out your search. So just simply go for people over here. So click on people. And from here, just simply click on see all people results. So guys, from here, you should be able to simply find all of the potential clients for your business. So from here, pretty much you can filter out your search by location. So you will have here multiple options, or you can just simply add location over here. And you can also choose their current company. So it will be depending on you as well. So you can filter it out. So guys, the more you filter it out, the more it will be specific, of course. And now just simply serve all of the people that you might want to consider for your business. Just simply go ahead and check out their profile if they are qualified for your business. And from there, you can just simply hit them a message, or you can connect with them if you prefer it. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.